Kapuso, time check o hingagaw, 8:16 na sang aga. Negros Island region o kon N.I.R. mainit subong nga ginaistoryahan kag ginadebatihan. Pagtingob sang Negros Occidental kag Oriental Negros matigayon na ihan. Ano ba lang pwede sinidalon sa mga Negrense? Yari nga atong gintutukan sang spotlight kaupod si Negros Occidental Provincial Governor Eugenio Jose Lacson. Hi there mga kapuso, welcome back. You're still watching GMA Regional TV Early Edition. Subong nga aga mga kapuso. Espesyal ang aton bisita, bangod tutukan nato ng isa sa mga hot topics. Nga daw wala gid ginauntatan diri sa isla sang Negros. Madayon man gid balang ginatawag nga N.I.R. o kon Negros Island region. Amoy na mga kapuso ang aton himay-himayon kaupod ang pinakamataas nga opisyal sang probinsya sang Negros Occidental. Literal no, Gov, pila ka gani, Gov, ang imo height? 6, Gov, kulang-kulang na lang?
6'2".
6'2". Literal mga kapuso nga pinakamataas nga opisyal sa Negros Occidental, Governor Eugenio Jose Lacson. Gov, thank you so much for being part of our program. How are you? Kamusta ka?
First of all, thank you for inviting me on this program of yours. I'm okay.
Ikaw ang isa sa mga nagsugod sang aton, nagduso nga bala pormahon nato ng Negros Island region. Ano gid bala nagkalain-lain nga kausa nga akinahanglan naton magseparar nga akinahanglan ng N.I.R.
Yeah. Well, I was just one of those who supported
Yes.
the move, no? But this was really headed by the late Governor
Yes.
Freddy Marañon, no? Very simple lang yung reason, no? Negros Oriental, Negros Occidental, we belong to one Negros Island. Okay? So the geography tells us that if we put these two provinces together, we will be able to promote better synergy between the two.
In terms naman, Gov, abi ipatpat sa aton mga kapuso ang gatanaw subong across the region, no? All over Western Visayas, ano ang mga bentaha kung may N.I.R. kita? Hindi ba lang maperdi ang panay sa aton?
No,
hindi ba lang maperding ilo-ilo sa aton? Ano gusto mo batian sa mga kapuso ta?
No, we're not competing naman with anybody, no?
Okay.
As I said, practicality dictates that since we belong to one island, we should be working continuously together, no? And of course, we're confident that with the new region, the full potential of both Negros Oriental and Negros Occidental can be attained, no?
Yes.
And if we include the Siquijor, which I believe also is willing to join this
Maupod
region,
gid sa aton.
you could imagine one region with 3 provinces only. So it's easier to manage,
Yes.
no? So I really think na it's all positive,
Yes.
no? If we create a new region.
Example, the likes of Sagay City nga palangga gid sa duwa ka gobernador sang una nga mga gobernador man ni nagsugod o kung nagpropose gid,
Yes.
the brains behind N.I.R.
Yes. So what we have to do now is find other ways to convince Governor Digamo that everybody will be on equal footing. Nobody will be left behind. Now, we are here to help Oriental. We are here to help Siquijor. And vice versa. They are also there to help us. No? So, amo na lang, let's just address that issue about equal footing. And I can just assure our partner provinces that Negros Occidental is not here to overpower anybody.
Yes.
We are here to help.
After all mga kapuso, hashtag we are one Western Visayas. Last question from my end, Gov. What will make you stop pushing for the creation or the reestablishment of Negros Island region?
Nothing. Nothing can stop us. It's not only me. It's many of us here in Negros Occidental are really pushing for that Negros Island region. No? So for as long as we have the support, especially for our framers of this law, no? Our district representatives. But more important is we really need the support of our district representatives and the Senate. No?
Yes.
After all, they're the ones that are going to make or frame the law. And of course, the final signature will come from the President. And that's where our public servants or public officials who are close to the president will come in again and get that favor from the president.
Gov, what do you want to tell our people from Negros Occidental, our people from Negros Oriental, and the rest of our mga tumandok, pati dumuluo sa Western Visayas? Go ahead, Gov Lacson.
First of all, ining pag-create naton sa Negros Island region is really to further develop our province. And I would like to assure our brothers and sisters on Negros Oriental, Negros Occidental is not here to overpower any province. We are here to work together and so that we will be able to reach a full potential of our respective provinces.
Synergy mga kapuso. Governor Eugenio Jose Bong Lacson, probinsya sang Negros Occidental. God bless you. Thank you for saying yes sa sining imbitasyon.
Thank you very much.